I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add crypto in Binance. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified to access all features. You can fund your account by depositing fiat currency, like US dollars, or by transferring cryptocurrency from another wallet. Always enable two-factor authentication for robust security. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and secure experience on the platform. To deposit fiat currency, navigate to the Buy Crypto section and choose your desired currency, such as euros or British pounds. You can then select a method like a bank transfer, which might take a few business days, or use a debit card for quicker processing. Always review the minimum deposit requirements and any applicable fees before confirming your transaction. If you already own crypto, you can transfer it directly to Binance. Go to your spot wallet, select Deposit Crypto, and choose the coin you wish to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Crucially, select the correct network, such as ERC20 for Ethereum. Copy the unique deposit address provided and paste it into your external wallet's withdrawal section to initiate the transfer. Once your funds are in Binance, you can convert fiat into crypto or trade one crypto for another using the convert or trade features. Explore different trading pairs and consider starting with smaller amounts as you learn. Remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular security checks. Also, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.